Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a traffic forecast for skyrocket.com. The client is in the business of creating body kit for cars and is based in the USA. First we need to find competitors using SEMrush and SERPs for targeted keywords.
Some competitors for similar keywords we took from SEMrush service, but in order to make our sample wider we will take the keyword wide body kit and study the search results in the USA. Now that we have gathered the competitors, we move on to analyzing the traffic. First we take the total traffic for the last 6 months, then we separate only organic traffic from it, and then we separate only traffic from the USA. As you can see, then the current traffic can be increased almost 2 times, and this is not the limit. Within this site there is a simple dependence: the larger the catalog of available parts becomes, the more opportunities there are to increase organic traffic.